Welcome to syncschool.com. Synchronize with today's technology for your education institutions. Offered by a Nadgoda Consultancy Group with the having vision of making technology work for your institutes. It's a school automation system where you can manage and monitor entire your school data through a customizable school intra network. Thank you for your time to look over our product to analyze how it is different from others and how it can be customizable. So let's start with each function. So once you log in as a chairman, you will be getting a dashboard with the details of recent activities and notes, video notifications and quick links, etc. And it can be customizable. You can add n number of boxes through a master data in dashboards, and it can be having, it's also having the option of drag and drop options. So if you want upcoming events would be a beginning, so you can drag it and drop. So this is a dashboard where a chairman will be getting, and also a chairman will be getting each functions of entire product. For particular IDs, particular role, particular functions will be available. For example, for librarian, only library functions will be available. For registrar, cash registrar, he will be getting only fee register options. So as a chairman you will be getting all functions of entire product. So now I'm going to explain in a brief of each functions to look how it is benefit this product to your education institutions. And for more detail in depth you can go through our tutorials, each functions tutorials, so that you can get a more information through that. So let's start with a configuration. So before going to configuration, I would like to clear you of what is fields and section. Fields are those like title is one field and name is a second field, a middle, like these are the fields. And sections are personal detail is a one section, and a present course detail is another section. So previous course detail is another section. So we have developed this based on these categories, fields and sections. So categories are those for student form is a one category, and for employees form is another category, and a non-teaching form is another category. So these all categories, fields, sections are interlinked between themselves. So now I'm going to show you how it will be customizable. For example, in your education admission form, if you don't want to ask this title and marital status in this form, so how we can be removed from this our product. So just we'll be having option in template, so where you can go through and a title and a marital status. So we can unmark this, and if you save, so then it will automatically sync to a form where we'll add a student. So just I'm going to show you it's it. So this is a title and marital status is available now. If I reload this page, let's see, title and marital status is gone. So in this way you can generate a n number of forms as per your requirement, as per your fields. For example, if you want to add a Aadhaar number here, so you can easily add through a fields. So first you need to create a field that as a Aadhaar card number, and you have to link that one through sections, so that all process will be explained in depth through a configuration tutorials. So just I shown you how it is benefit to your institute to customize any type of forms for your institutions. So next we will jump to fee receipts. So these are the fee receipt items. So you can add a number of fee items. For example, if you want to add one more sports fees, so I'm going to add sports. So once you add, so it will appear on a fee list, item list. So this can be edited in fee receipt format. So you need to add, so it's connecting to fee receipt format. So in this fee receipt format you can edit that option. For each course you can generate different receipts. So for example, for MBA I'm going to link here. So see sports, just now I have added, so I'm going to show you. So this is a sports fee I have added, so I can click here, I can add amount, so then automatically it will link to a MBA fee receipts. So you can generate, so when you press a generate fee receipt it will appear with a total amount. So this is a setup of fee receipts. Once you set up, the next step is to just to select a course, so then automatically you can generate a computerized fee receipts for your students. Even you can copy a receipts from one institute to another institute if you are having a multi branch. So this is all about a configuration benefit for your education institution as per your requirement, and which can be a customizable. So next we will move to uh, staff list. In this staff list you can look over analysis by combination and cost, the result analysis like for male female result through even through cost. As a faculty you can look through this. And let's go through a staff model in depth. So if you search in staff model, if you display, you'll be getting each staff members, and even you can categorize through course wise and department wise, and he will be getting each members details, staff details. So these are the demos which we have already updated in this demo logins. So once if you click on this staff name, so then it will directly link to his username and password. So as it's looks like as if you log in as a teacher, so he'll be getting the same options in his tools. So as a chairman you will be having an option to edit his details, but a teacher will or a student will not be having power to edit their functions. So as a teacher he'll be having a lot of functions. He can look over his timetables, functions. So timetable will be updated by through admin, so through in master data, and we'll going to explain in depth. It will be having a separate tutorial for timetable. And this is a lesson planner where timetable and even teacher can update a lessons like a date and planned portion and a portion actually covered, and he can add a number of rows and a number of chapters through this, and where students, faculties and chairman and even parents can look over these syllabuses. So one more option I want to show you in this faculty, that where how we can add a generate a attendance report and internal assess marks reports. So this will be, he will be having option to generate for courses, each courses, and once he press a generate attendance, you'll be having option to upload attendance sheet. So here will be a template, ready-made template will be available for each faculties to download and update according to that. Even they will be having option for Android application. They can also update through Android applications. Once they updated, they will be having option to send a student's parents through mail and through SMS. So this will be the Android applications where they can take attendance through tablet. So even they can upload internal assessment marks, and even they can take a printout of each student's detail, and even they can go through a graph wise report attendance through graph. And next to a student list. So as a student list you can look over a course wise student list, semester wise student list, and depend on category wise student list. If you want to get information of only aided students, then you can get it only aided students. So just if I select PUC, So I'll be getting a PUC students details. So this is a student detail you can get, and you can also generate a report. If you press any of the students name, then you will be linked to a student's ID. So if as a student, if you log in, you will be getting the same display. So in this you will be having student personal details, present course detail, previous course details, and even photo signature and LTR. This is where is a requirement now from a government, some of the governments, to submit photo, thumb impression and signature to the government. So you can easily generate this report of all students, and you can easily submit to the government through e-filling. And even a student can look over his timetable and his fee paid details, attendance, study materials, and even graph wise internal marks and attendance. So next we will move to fee register. So fee register will be handled by through a cashier or a fee register. So he can search students fee details, and this also will links to a dashboard where they can check fee due notifications. And even you can generate a computerized fee receipts. So this format also we can generate as per your requirement. So this all will be explained in detail in configuration. So here just you need to select a course. If you select a course, automatically it will generate a aided or unaided. So this all will be set configured in this configuration function. So just I will go to show one more here. See, if I select a MBA course, so it will automatically came added here. So I can generate here receipt. So fee template is not coming here because we have not selected OBC category. So no, so MBA I have selected and it is came as a OBC. So template, yeah. So once if you collect your exact values which we have created in configuration, then you can easily look into here fee receipts. So it is like as I shown in configuration how the amount will be calculated automatically for that MBA course. Now you can also look for day book report and fee collection report and item fee collection reports in this fee register. So this will be the cash book where accountant can easily manage through digital system. If they are maintaining manually, they can easily understand as per their requirement, as per their suggestions from CAS. We have developed this through a simple steps. And even if you have already using some other application, cash book applications like Tally or any other billing softwares, we can integrate that same into in this, or this we can remove it. And next will be a library model where you can add a number of books in this, and this all will be integrate this data through master data. For example, you can generate uh, donors, a number of donors, and you can generate a number of racks, a number of subjects through master data. So this all will be a customizable. And this is a book circulation. Just if you enter a book name, that it will automatically take, and you need to select a due date and return date, and you can issue and receive books. So, and even we have installed a online OPEX system, means online public access catalog, so where you can update all information in your website, that availability of books and issuable books and due dates. And even you can check a stock checking. As a chairman, you can go and check books availability and author and price, and even if it is issued to someone to whom it is issued. So you can check any type of reports, and the same report can be submitted to universities or higher authorities. So next is a report. A report is a very important part in all type of education institutions. For example, submitting report to higher authorities, submitting report to universities, and submitting report to parents. So we have covered a shortage of attendance report, performance report, consolidated reports. So this one you are looking here is a staff password report, because as a chairman you should have entire power in your hand. For example, if one faculty leaves tomorrow from your organization, so you will be having power to block that username and password so that he cannot use in further days. So even a shortage of attendance, you can generate report and immediately you can send a SMS and email to their parents. And these all are custom reports we have developed. And one more beautiful function which we have given is that is a dynamic report. So in these dynamic reports you can generate reports as per your requirement. For example, if you want to create a report for university, you can generate a reports through add report and you can add that. So once you add, you have to interlink these inputs and output columns. For example, see, I'm going to show here that report format how we want, and header should be there or not, and footer and page layout, and what has to become. Like for example, university asks for each caste wise report, just you need to select a caste and date of birth, first name, last name and all, and you can generate that is according to ascending or descending, and you can give that sequence through here. So this is a dynamic report. Once you generate this report in wave report, these all reports will be available. So teachers or any dean can wave these all reports which you have generated through dynamic reports. So next, shift to master data. So even one more function I have forgot to show, that is a graph model. Even you can see here was admission graph, even it is a 3D system is there, even attendance marks, internal assessment marks, everything can be seen through graphs. Now this is the data, master data, where you will be getting all functions like course wise master, department wise master, because as an education institute you can add n number of courses, n number of departments. Again, it's not required to contact to developers. So we have covered almost all required fields of education institutions in this. Why we have covered each functions? Because even we have covered blood group. Why, if you want a B blood group report of the students, so you can easily generate through this. Even if you want a caste wise report, you can generate. If you want a state wise report, you can generate. So this all will be synced and stored in these tables, and it will be displays from their respective tables when you generate reports. So one more option here is upload banner and logo. You can customize as per your requirement. You can upload your own banner and logo in this place. So this is a dashboard panel master where I have shown. So you can add a number of boxes there, and after once you add it, we can link a coding part through that to sync that entire data through the dashboard. And a student prefix option, caste wise report option, and even payroll system we are integrating, that you can manage your entire staff, teaching staff, non-teaching staff through this application. And we can also generate a due notification, custom report, any announcements if you want to do, you can announce it. And do not disturb option for SMS, and for you can send a group wise SMS, individual SMS, and short attendance report SMS. So that for this you need to subscribe for sending SMS, and which we need to maybe a cost extra for education institutions. And in this master data will be also having a functions of timetable. So as admin system, admin can generate a timetable of the easy simple steps. So this all will be explained in each model tutorials. And cash book, this will be known by accountants, that you can generate a number of groups, ledger entries, cash book, all. And even as shown in library, we can add a number of donors, and rack masters, A rack, B rack, and even in each rack we can search a box. So alert and notifications options will be there, and for a fee is mainly for payments of fees. So you can set alerts for 2 times for due dates, and you can set as per your requirement a number of alerts. And this is a calendar event you can add. You can generate a number of calendars through this. This is user access control. So here you can access for, as I told, as a for librarian only library option will be available. How? So if you select a staff, like if you create any staff, teaching staff or non-teaching staff, if you select particular, you have to select particular staff, and once you select you can access a library access to S. Once you select a library as S, you'll be again having options in that library for can library management. Yes, and you can access book access or edit as per your requirement. You can give a power or restrictions to each members in your institutions. So this is what we are implemented uh, in this application, and our intention is a chairman should have entire control over institutions. So this is all brief about a brief benefits about our syncschool.com. We have covered almost all fields through master data, and you can generate a number of course, a number of departments. For example, if you introduce new course like MRB Master in International Business Management, you can add that MRB course and course duration and course details. So once you added that course, you need to add subjects in that. So again you can go to subject matters. So in that subject master you can add the subjects. So once you add subject here, the course and subject is available now. So how to link that subjects in that particular course? So you'll be having for that course subject master. So in that course subject master you can select, you can link that subject to a particular course. So this is how it is going to work for any type of education institutions. So thank you for your time to look over our product syncschool.com, and for more detail for each functions there is tutorials available for each function and depth on each function, how this category and field section template will integrated and links, so you can look over a project. So once again thank you for your time.